Linking your bank account to Google Photos allows you to manage payments for storage upgrades and other services. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open Google Photos app. Launch the Google Photos app on your mobile device or access it through your web browser by visiting Photos.google.com. Step 2. Go to Settings. In the app, tap on your profile picture or the 3-line menu icon. From the drop-down, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. Within the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Payment Methods or Manage Payment Methods. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Add Bank Account. Choose the option to add a new payment method. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Fill in the required information accurately. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank account details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may need to verify your identity through a code sent to your registered email or phone. Now your bank account is linked to Google Photos, allowing for seamless transactions for any services you choose.